Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have another scent from Maison Marmin. What was the name? I actually forgot. I normally call him Abdul Karim Al Faransi. So the first one we are going to test is this one is Amber Ash Sheikh. So it is normally called Al Sheikh, but it says Ash Sheikh. It means that it is actually something ashy or something like burning some oud or maybe something. Let's see how it actually evolves. So this is Amber Ash Sheikh from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, Maison Anthony Marmin, Maison. I'm not sure what is the name, but it is something like this. So let's try to open it. I have used a paper tape over here to seal it off. So let's open it. And it is really dark. So I'm going to apply it on a strip. So let's see. They are a little bit hard to open. Okay, so really thick. Maybe on skin it might be a little different story, but generally oh, this is really different. Yes, there is amber, there is a little bit of it doesn't feel any burned or any that kind of feeling. This is really beautiful. Some florals, damp florals in the background, some ash kind of earthy effect in there. Amber, sweet, really balanced. I really enjoyed this one. Yes, it is woody, amber, maybe sweetness is from vanilla, I'm not sure, but it is really balanced. It is a bit of kind of damp, light floral. It is not rose or any high-pitched floral. It is really balancing this whole theme. Amber Ash Sheikh, I really enjoyed this one. This is really nice. I can't stop sniffing it. I'm not sure how these oils, when they get really old, they get a lot better. If they are natural mixes, they are going to get better after time, maybe 1 or 2 years. So this is a really balanced Attar from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. I really enjoyed this one. On a scale of 10, I am going to give scent profile 8 or 9. I think 8.5 would do the justice. And I think it is going to stay a normal duration, maybe 4 to 5 hours on skin. Normally, natural Attars, they don't, go further than 3 to 4 hours. They are going to stay like 4 hours on your skin. Very lovely blend. Amber, ashy, earthy, light sweet, vanilla maybe, and there is a light floral. Very good. This is, I think, one of the best from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. I also loved Baghdad and Islamabad. I think Islamabad, they have they are not this, that has been discontinued, but Baghdad and this one is available. Ash. So if you like earthy, ambery kind of damp, wet ash kind of feeling, and I think this is going to be great for both men and women. 8.5 for the scent profile, and the performance I would give it like 6 out of 10. I think it would be like what should be the normal longevity for Attars. It would stay like 3 to 4 hours on your skin, but this is really nicely done. Very lovely blend from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, Amber Ash Sheikh. So let's see if it is going to focus on it. Amber Ash Sheikh. Really nice blend of amber. So this is my review about Amber Ash Sheikh. I hope if you like earthy, ambery, or maybe light ash, wet ash kind of feeling, or those kind of perfumes. I really love and enjoy attars or perfumes that have earthy feeling to them. Okay, so wet, earthy. That is why my favorite, almost favorite oud is Tiger Wood Royal or Tiger Wood from Ansar Oud, because it has a lot of earthiness, wetness in it. So this is my review about Amber Ash Sheikh from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video with another scent. Till then, take care. Bye bye.